Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for an exciting career in data analytics with one of the world's leading tech consulting firms? Here is your opportunity. Capgemini is hiring for a data analyst across multiple locations in India, based out of including Bengaluru, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know from the job details, qualification required, skills required for this role, and along with how you can apply and some of the pro tips that you need to get shortlisted for this particular role. Before going into depth, did you know that Capgemini is a global leader in digital transformations, AI, and cloud computing, working with some of the brightest brand worldwide? Oh, I'm sure it's biggest brand worldwide. Okay, so if you are passionate about data analytics, visualizations, and machine learning, this job is for you. And also, we post free job updates daily, so subscribe to our channel and stay ahead in your job search. Also, if you want to learn data analytics for free, in-depth data analytics series with hands-on projects, then check out Fast Tech channel where we teach SQL, Python, Power BI, and real-world data science projects. So now let's dive into the job details. So basically, Capgemini is heading for a data analyst to join their data and AI division team. So the key job details is it's a data analyst, and experience required is if you are a freshers with good projects and good hands-on experience as intern also, you are eligible to apply. But if you are experienced, you will be preferred over the others. Just I wanted to make it clear so that people don't spam me over that. Yeah, I'm a fresher, I didn't get reply. Location, as I already mentioned, that it's a Bengaluru, Mumbai, Pune, and Kolkata. And contract type is a permanent type of job. It's not a contractual job. So I wanted to make it clear. And they have not mentioned any last date. So apply as soon as possible because, as you guys know, the sooner the better. So yeah. And if you are excited about working on data analytics, machine learning, and business intelligence, so let's check out the skills required. So skills required for this particular role is going to be something like if you have the experience of working with large data set, either and the company, or maybe you have just explored Kaggle and tried to find an insight or done some media projects or very good projects, so you are eligible for this role. Plus you must have the very good touch on SQL, Python, data modeling, data mining, plus data visualization skills and reporting skills like working with Power BI or Tableau or Alteryx or any other thing, or maybe you have worked with Python, Matplotlib, Plotly, Seaborn libraries. So all these things, if you have, then you are eligible for this role. Plus, you must have the basic machine learning and AI knowledge, especially like how you use the SQL library, how to implement model, how to train model, how to uh, you know test the models as well. So, for example, you must have the basic understanding of classification, regressions, and how types of class like linear regression, logic. So all these things, basic things, they might expect from you. And along with that, you must have the soft skills knowledge, which is a very important for a data analyst. You must have a very good communication skill and very good analytical skill, plus creative thinking skill, and plus stakeholder management skill, which is communicating with your internal or external stakeholder depending on the company's need. So, pro tip I will give you that try to add some of the skills like SQL, Python, Power BI, or either of them, or you can just add some your very good projects that you have worked on, like customer churn predictions or like that. Like I personally have worked on those projects, so I thought to add it. And this is the pro tips I will give, and try to add it, and then it will be easy for you to get shortlisted for this role. And as a data analyst at Capgemini, what you will be doing? So let's discuss the responsibilities out here. So you will be developing and implementing analytic solutions to process raw data into meaningful insights, and you will also apply data mining and machine learning techniques to extract insights. You will also be working with large data sets to identify trends and make recommendations. Not just that, you will also create dynamic reports and dashboard using Power BI, Tableau, or Excel, as already mentioned. So either of one knowledge or all knowledge, if you have, that is again going to be a very plus point for you. And you'll also be collaborating with different teams to drive in data, to take data driven decisions, to drive data driven decisions. So all these are going to be your responsibilities once you join Capgemini. So let's say a retail company. I'll give you a real world example and we'll wrap up fast. No worries. So let's say a retail company wants to predict customer demand for the next quarter. So if you're as a data analyst, what you'll do, you'll analyze the past sales, right? Past sales data to find trends, like how the performance was there, like, and also use machine learning models to forecast demand, like predictive analysis, right? Forecasting is what? finding the future, like what how it will perform. So all these things you will do, and visualize the insights in Power BI and present findings to business leaders, and you will present all the findings to your business leaders like stakeholders, right? So this role is a high impact and perfect for those who are working with data, numbers, and business insight. So this was a small example. Now let's go to the thing like why one should work at Capgemini. So Capgemini is, as you know, that one of the top global IT consulting company with a strong focus on data analytics, AI, and digital transformation. So here's why this opportunity is a career game changer. You will get go to work with a leading global brands with fast career growth and exciting projects. Plus, you will also get exposure to AI and machine learning and a very good hybrid flexible environment. So, fun fact is that Capgemini has been recognized as a leader in AI analytics by a top global analyst. So, if you want to be a part of the future of data-driven decision making, this is your opportunity. So, how you can apply? If you are excited about this role, here is how you can apply right now. So, apply link I will be giving the description. Direct link will be there. So, do check it out and apply as soon as possible. And last date they haven't mentioned, so apply as soon as possible. As already told, so sorry for repeating that. Pro tip I want to give that apply, of course, apply as soon as possible again, and add some of the key skills from there that I already told. So I think I have already discussed it. So directly conclude it. Let's wrap up this particular job. So as business become more data driven, right? So demand of data analysis is skyrocketing day by day. So as this, the future trends in data analytics is going to be like AI powered analytics, big data and computing, and real time analytics. So if you want to build a career in data analytics, this is the best time to start. And that's all for today's job update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video if you're applying. Share this with your friends who might be interested, and comment below if you have any question if you are applying and having some doubt. So subscribe to our channel for 3 daily job updates and tech content as well, because we are bringing data analysis on first tech that I already mentioned. So subscribe to that channel as well. And also, if you are serious about your career, so don't turn the notification bell, because all the free job will come to you per day, and it will be easy for you to crack the jobs. So that's all. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights, happy learning, and all the best for your future career. See you in the next one.